So in your absence, I took away all the stones that were here and all the rocks and exposed the drainage pipes that are underneath, and then replaced it with fill and then some topsoil. And now we need some plants. So what do you think?
We wanted something, you know, that has a bit of color and something that kind of gives a little European countryside feel, you know, maybe lavender, something romantic and pretty. I would love a little color.
Yes, absolutely. And you can mix it with grasses or, you know, let's see what they have. But lavender smells great, looks great, you know.
And it's great for pollinators.
Exactly,
bees and butterflies.
exactly.
The girls love having butterflies around. So.
Wonderful. Will be a great choice.
Well, I put together a wish list on fastgrowingtrees.com. Actually, I shared the wish list with you. You should have it.
Oh, here's the list right here. Sensational lavender plant. Let's look at that one. Wow.
Oh, beautiful. Will be a very nice combination with your stonework.
Okay.
Great.
Add to cart.
Add to cart, yes.
Hey, honey. Wow, you've already laid everything out. Good job.
Yeah.
Looks
Fabulous.
They arrived in wonderful shape, and now we just got to figure out where everything goes.
Well, these look great. Wow, I can even smell the lavender from here.
Very nice, very nice.
So shall we figure out which plant goes where?
Yeah, let's figure it out, because everything goes in here. We know that. So what do you think, Maria?
You know, initially I wasn't seeing the evergreens in this area at all, but now it's growing on me.
Right? I think so too.
All right, let me go get the fabric.
See? Doesn't this look pretty? Go next to where Daddy is and he'll show you how to do it.
Yes, that's a good spot. Go ahead. Oh, you did it.
Afraid to ask. I got dirt on my hands.
I got dirt on my hands. I got dirt on my knees.
I've got dirt on my knees and my fingernails.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Under her nails.
That's okay.
And you guys have dirt everywhere. Well done.
But that's fun though, right? It washes off.
That smells delicious.
They're little bees.
Smell the lavender. Oh, so
They're
relaxing.
little bees.
Smells so
They're
good.
cute.
Well done, guys. Thank you so much.
Great improvement, right?
Yay.